Time to watch my favorite show. What is going on? Introducing the Toshiba Purego air purifier. At first, I was like, did they ship me 2 air purifiers? Actually, they split into 2 parts, and it's very well protected. That is the top unit, that's the bottom unit, all right? And it comes with a heavy-duty AC adapter. That means it means business. Look at that. Ooh, I really need to clean my air quality. And it comes with a user's manual, but don't worry, I'm gonna guide you guys through everything. So we already know about the Toshiba brand, makers of appliances, TVs, electronic devices. So here's the bottom unit. All right, it's got rubber legs. This is lightweight. So what's this sticker say? It's warning, remove this plastic. Okay, so remove this plastic. And here is that filter. All right, I got a plastic removed. This isn't a typical everyday filter. This is 3-stage filtration plus UV lights to clean the air effectively. So on the interior, you have a layer of carbon filter, and then HEPA filter, and then a PET layer, and then a pre-filtration layer combined for blocking or trapping pollen, hair, airborne particles, everything you can name of that a help true filter is supposed to do. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here in this basket, and this must be the top layer. Okay, all right, so let me show you the underside, what it looks like. It's all quality built, guys. Check it out. Let me give you the 360. Speaking of 360, this features a 360 degrees of air intake as opposed to some where it just have partial. So you have a true cleaning power. I don't think it matters which side is the front because they all look similar on the bottom. So I'm just gonna put it on top of here. You see the 4 pegs, right? You should just rest on top. Yeah, with these holes that you see. It should simply snap into place. Actually, let me get a better viewing angle right here. There we go. See how this snapped into place? Yeah, see? That is a good design right there. So this air purifier is pretty lightweight, 11.68 pounds. I do have a recommendation. Maybe they could insert like some slot so it's easier to hold onto and transport. But again, it's not too difficult. What you see right here is a back cover plate. I assume this is for maintenance. And this must be where you insert the power supply. Yes. And on the left side, or if you're looking from the right side, this is the push button where you can take out the top. So let's say if you don't push the button, you can't simply take it out. When you press it, then you can lift up, see, and remove the top cover. So it's pretty much like child-proof, I guess. All right, if you follow me to my living room, placing it right there makes sense because it's in the center of the living room. That way it can suck up any harmful air particles. I'm gonna turn off this fan because it's making a little bit of noise. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I have the fan connected. What you see is a large open outlet on the top to blow out the fresh air. So basically how it works is that when it's on operating, the fan sucks up air because it comes in from the bottom. As it reaches the top, because it's acting as an exhaust fan, all that dirty air, harmful air particles are trapped in the HEPA filter. Once it's trapped the cleaned air is blown out through the top opening. All right, 360 degrees air intake and a large opening for the air outlet. So on the top is a large touchscreen LCD display with these 6 buttons. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so you're gonna notice that blue color indicator. Now keep in mind with the color, okay? So I am going to manually, okay, it's indicating 22, 21, okay? I'm not sure what the units mean, but 21, that seems pretty good. That's why it's blue. That means it's healthy, okay? So I'm gonna increase the speed. It's 9, and there are 12 settings, by the way, okay, from a low 1, and it operates at 22 decibels, so ultra quiet. So let's go ahead and turn it to the max, 12. All right, I'm gonna let it do its thing. Oh, by the way, you see that blue indicator down here too? I just noticed that. Okay, that's good. All right, so if you follow me up here, that takes you to the mode. You have 3 modes: a regular manual fan mode, and then you have the night mode, okay, and then the automatic mode, where it detects if it's dirty area, automatically turns on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back to the manual. And then you also have the option of the additional UV cleaning. Make sure to turn that on. Now here is where you would press 3 seconds to reset the filter if you ever need to replace the filter. But if you touch this once, it turns off, it lowers the intensity of the light, okay, in case you're sleepy, you're bothered by light, or completely off. That's very useful. And here you have a built-in 12-hour timer in 2-hour increments. All right, I'm just gonna let that run its course and see what the air quality is after a little while. So what you're seeing at work is that real-time visible air quality PureSense technology. 4 colors: red, which you don't want, is very unhealthy; orange, unhealthy; green, moderate; blue is good quality. That's what we want. And if you put this in a 198 square feet room, it's able to purify the room 5 times per hour, making it ideal for small rooms such as bedrooms, bathrooms. It just takes a little bit longer for larger rooms such as a family room or living room. It's quite powerful, operating at a CADR, otherwise known as clean air delivery rate, of 215 cubic meters per hour. Very efficient. Woo-wee! It looks like my air quality is gold. So let me show you how to clean the HEPA filter. It's real easy. First of all, you're gonna power it off. Push this button to lift up the top compartment. Okay, and then take out the HEPA filter. You're gonna simply wipe it down with a dry cloth or vacuum it. See if you collect any particles. I see some white residues in there. Yeah, it's definitely doing a good job. Even though the pandemic has been classified as over, it always helps to have better air quality, especially during the high pollen seasons, or if you have frequent allergies, or simply if somebody in the house is suffering from the flu and they sneeze into the air. So helping to remove those harmful particles will really help the air quality for the whole family. And with the trusted Toshiba brand, it's going to last a long time. It's quiet, efficient, it's powerful. It's everything you need in a truly awesome air purifier. So if you are in the market, definitely give the Toshiba Purego air purifier a look.